Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to the update what is the current situation in the gold trading. Gold is going to the upside, bullish buyers are into the control with the gold. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with the accurate gold trading and get the good profit, massive profit from the gold trading. Join with and get the VIP access. So I am in a daily chart. I have marked 3 lines. You can see that is the strong resistance line. The first line is the already break to the goal and going to the upside. That is the 2088 level. I have this level already mentioned in my last week Saturday YouTube video. That is the first, and the second is the second resistance zone seller sign there. That is the 2120 level. That is the important level with the resistance is strong resistance. Price is currently is in 2120 level. That was not able to break that level. That is the strong resistance level with the technically setup. That's the final resistance zone is the 2050 zone. That is the hopeful this will be reached. See the goal. So 2150 is the last resistance seller sign control level with the technically setup. So this is the 3 levels with the resistance with technical setup. So I am going to the Forex factory. What is the economic data going on this week? Friday, non-farm employment change is a more volatile economic event. That the unemployment rate and the average hourly earnings there. So 353k is the non-farm employment change. Last figures of Fed American Central Bank expect to drop to the non-farm employment change to 190 and the average hourly earnings 0.6% and Fed forecast to drop to 0.2% and unemployment rate 3.7%. So non-farm employment change dropped to the below 200. That is the dollar sell-off. Gold will reach the final retracement level 2150. That is the more economic data. This you should touch with this labor data figures in this week. And non-farm employment change positive about 300 figure. That is the dollar demand and gold some retracement to the downside. That is the with the economic data this week. So that's the my setup with the economic data. 3 levels I have marked that you should touch. First resistance level already break to the upside and price is in 2120 is the second resistance level. That is also technical setup. You should combine technical setup with the economic data fundamentals what is going on this week. Labor data is the important with the US dollar. Currently is the dollar is going to sell off possession, depreciation dollar and gold demand. Now we should consider what is the going on interest rates. I am going to the Fed watch tool website. What will happen on the interest rate is going on. So I am going to the Fed watch tool website. So I am hoping the March FOMC meeting is recently coming. In FOMC meetings the Fed, so the Fed is that the forecast to the post the rate that already 97% almost 100% forecast to the post the rate March FOMC meeting and May FOMC meeting above 70% forecast to post the rate again, and the June FOMC meeting is the hopefully plus interest rate cutoff. That's the above 50% forecast to cut the rate in June FOMC meeting. So that the cutting is coming soon and the dollar sell-off is continuing. That will easily happen. So you can join with my Telegram link. So get the trade. Thank you.